Good afternoon. My name is Ian and I'm going to be your medical assistant today. How are you? Beautiful. So before we get started, I just want to confirm some information with you. Can I please get your first and last name and your date of birth? Wonderful. All right, so it looks like your doctor actually wants to do a urinalysis. So we're going to do what's called a clean catch midstream urine specimen. What that means, have you ever done one of those before? No? Okay, I'll go ahead and explain the directions to you, and you just let me know if you need any clarity or just some more elaboration on the details, okay? So here's what's going to happen. You're going to go into the bathroom and you're going to go ahead and wash and sanitize your hands, okay? And then you're going to go ahead and just undress yourself from the waist down just so that you can have enough access to the particular area. I'm going to give you two things. The first one is going to be a package that's going to have some basically like towelettes for you to use. You're going to clean your meatus or your urinary opening. That's basically where your urine comes out of. So your part when your area. You're going to take one towelette and you're going to clean one side and you're going to go from front to back. And then you're going to take another towelette and you're going to clean the very other side. And again, you're going to go from front to back. Now, once you've done that and you've gone ahead and put the disposal of the towels, you're then going to make sure that you open up this particular sterile container. You want to make sure that you're not touching the inside of the container with your hands, the towelette, or any part of your body. You also want to make sure you don't touch the inside of the cap as well, because this is a sterile container. We need to keep it sterile. Once you're finished cleaning up the area that you are going to be getting the urine out of, you want to first expel some of the urine into the toilet first, okay? So you're just going to put a little bit in the toilet. Then you're going to take your open container and you're going to put the rest of the urine into the container, filling it up halfway. Now, if you find that you have more urine that needs to come out, it can come out. You just want to make sure you fill up the container halfway, and then the rest of the urine, you just let it go ahead and dispose into the toilet. When you're done, again, make sure you do not touch the inside of the container or the inside of the lid. Place the lid back onto the container. You're going to set it in the specimen collection area that's inside the bathroom. Wash your hands and go ahead and get dressed. From there, I will go ahead and collect the container itself. We'll go ahead and give it to the lab and or the physician for analysis and review, and then your physician will get back with you with any details or results, okay? Could you please repeat back the instructions to me just so that I know that you understand? Correct. You're going to use the two towelettes, one for each side, wiping front to back. Good. And then the container. Correct. You want to make sure that you're not touching the inside of the container with your fingers, the towelettes, or any part of your body, as well as the inside of the cap. Very good. And how much of the container are you going to fill up? Halfway. And are you going to, once you finish cleaning the area, correct, you want to make sure to dispose of a little bit of urine first. Grab the container, fill up the container with the remainder of the urine halfway, and if you have any urine left to go ahead and still expel out, just go ahead and expel the remainder of that into the toilet, just as long as we have the container filled halfway. Very good, Mrs. Johnson. So I'm going to go ahead and leave these items for you right here. You can go ahead and use the restroom facility that's to my right, I believe it's to your left. And you just let me know whenever you're ready. You can push the buzzer there. One of the nurses or myself will walk back in and we'll continue on from there, okay? Thank you so much, Mrs. Johnson. I'll see you soon.